Bonjour. So already we've learned about les maisons, so the houses, so the different types of houses that we live in, and we've learned ma maison se trouve, my house is located in. So I'm just going to teach you a little bit more today. So this is super short anyway, this next bit, it just describes the house that you're living in. So using an adjective, how would you describe it? So ma maison est grande. Ma maison est grande means my house is big. Okay, so later on when we're writing a paragraph describing our house, maybe you'll write that in. So of course it's going to be ma maison because it's my house, it's feminine. So ma maison est grande. Ma maison est petite. Ma maison est petite is my house is small. Okay, so again it's feminine. So we've added an e onto petit to make it agree with the word for house, which is feminine. We did the same with grand. We added an e. So ma maison est grande, my house is big. Ma maison est petite, my house is small. Ma maison est confortable, my house is comfortable. Now we say comfortable, C-O-M. They have an N instead. That's the only difference. So ma maison est confortable. Ma maison est spacieuse. My house is spacious. Okay, so ma maison est spacieuse. Now, just a quick recap, I suppose, over them. Ma maison est grande, my house is big. Ma maison est petite, my house is small. Ma maison est confortable, my house is comfortable. Ma maison est spacieuse, my house is spacious. And just a few more to finish off, just showing you, putting all what we've learned so far into different contexts. Moi, j'habite dans un pavillon à la campagne. Me, I live in a bungalow in the countryside. Nous habitons dans un appartement à Paris. We live in an apartment in Paris. Ils habitent dans une maison jumelée en ville. They live in a semi-detached house in town. So, for example, later on, when I get you to describe your house, you might say something like this. J'habite dans un pavillon. Ma maison se trouve à la campagne, dans un village. Ma maison est grande et spacieuse. Okay, so that's just showing you an example of a paragraph we might be able to write perhaps next week. Okay, the verb habiter you should be well familiar with by now. It's a regular ER verb. Drop the ER and you add E, ESE, ONS, EZ, ENT. Just don't forget for the je, you make a J apostrophe because it always turns to J apostrophe before verbs that start with a vowel or a silent H. Okay, merci.